Okay, so we're doing an unboxing of Allison's Kidpik box. It's personalized, has her name in there. Allison is 3 and wears a 4T, 5T size, extra small. Go ahead.
Yay.
Yay, what is it?
What's this?
Is that a backpack purse? Turn it around so Mama can see. This backpack is fuzzy. Oh my gosh, so cute. Soft pink. That is really cute. It's got a zipper closure, top and bottom. Okay, show me the shirt. That is very cute.
And there's a leopard on.
I know. Can you show me what else is in your box?
I'm gonna try them on.
We will try everything on, but let's go through everything. So let's look at these shoes. These are very cute. They've got little zippers on the side. Do you want to see if there's anything else in your box?
Ta-da!
Ooh, jeans.
Whee! Short jeans.
Short jeans. What color are they?
Pink.
What else is in there? Is it a zip-up jacket? Perfect for spring. Nice and lightweight. Yeah, that's very cute. Pick what your favorite thing is.
Backpack.
The backpack is your favorite? Okay, which clothes is your favorite?
These.
The shoes. The shoes are so fun, huh? Can you say, thank you, Kidpik, for the sample?
Thank you, Kidpik, for the sample.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.